Yeah. Hello guys. Hi. I guess my voice is audible to you.
Yeah, hi, good evening, guys.
You see that? Is it coming?
Mm.
Okay, fine, great. It's not right? Mm. Mhm. No. This is just showing. It's coming? No. Why it is not coming live here?
Yeah, W also doesn't mean.
It's coming?
Mhm. Yeah, hi, guys. So let's start
Hello.
for our
Hi.
today's live.
So basically, yesterday we saw a huge sell-off in the gold and silver, both. So you can see gold was trading above the 5,000 level, which was a very good level for us. And then automatically, what happens? It basically closed at like 4,920. Okay, this is a very good sell-off, guys. Okay, the pressure was there, some news was there. You can see here, you see 200 points. Okay, that is what happened here. You can see here 215 points down, and again basically it recovered and it closed at 180. Understood? Okay, so now today again it is trying to pick up and it's trying to go again at 78 points upside momentum, so it is trying to survive, like sustainable there only. Okay, so the thing is like it should basically stay above 5,000 level, which will be very very good for us. And silver is like again pretty much bearish only, it is not trying to go anywhere. So the range was like, this was the range it tried to reach to this range, again it is getting a sell off from there. Yesterday again 10 points fall from there. See, it was trading around say like 84.6, and again it came directly here 73, 12 points fall, 12 percentage, and 10 points fall was there. So still the consolidation again, this like 91, and again it is trying to sustain above 70 level. That is the range what it is trying to give us. That's it. Okay, not more than that. We need, if we are seeing gold strong, it should be trade above 5,000 level. Okay, and this one automatically gold should silver should trade above 90 level. So which is a very good level. So until unless it is a week only. So otherwise it just try to start closing above 84, 85. Then we can see again a good momentum coming to the market. Otherwise nothing here as of now. Okay, so let's plan any trades according to the intraday perspective manner. Any trades we are getting here, what? So let's see. So today's like trend is basically little bit downside only, but it's like now if you see the structure, it is trying to make a higher high saddle. So there's a resistance going on at this level. So I will try to take a trade in the upside trade manner only, because in the broader from here, if I see morning 5 o'clock, it is trying to make an uptrend only. These lows are protected. Okay, so this lows was swept out from here, and then again it is trying to pick up. So let's see, either like 4977 a selling point from here we can plan. Otherwise, basically we can go for a long from these levels. Like, wait. Okay, so that is basically what's happening here. So now again, like if we want to go for a long somewhere around here, we can again, this is done. So we can plan from 4,957. Okay, if it is coming here, we can go for a long from here or sell from these levels. So let me see any other levels are there in the market here. 4,053, 953 is a good buying area again, so which we can plan for buying perspective. Selling is again 81. Why am I choosing these levels? It's very simple, guys. Basically, I'm seeing a rejection levels from here, no? Very fast momentum from there. So that is the reason why I'm trying to see this levels. You see here, correct? So this is what we can plan. So we just try to mark the levels here. So this level can also be considered as a buying pressure. Buying we can try to do from here. And like the same level, I will try to pick from there. And selling we can basically try to from this level. Okay, that is the two levels where we can focus on. So whichever comes first, we can try to think of. Like if it's coming here, we will try to sell again here. Okay, this level, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. Okay, so this we can consider as a selling one. Okay, buying will be considered as a this one. Just a minute, little bit higher from here we can pick it up. Okay, fine, right. So these are the two areas where we will be taking trade. That is like 4,977, okay, and 4,953. So let's go in the like basically CryptX, and we will start taking a trade over here. Yeah, bro, tell me. I'm in live cabin this side conference. Yeah. Okay. So basically, let's try to go to the XA USDT. What what time will you leave? I will leave 8 o'clock, 8:30. Because you have to take bike tomorrow. Ah, yeah, morning I have to take. You're going out today? So I'll take out. Fine, fine, no issues. This morning I will come and leave. Huh? Morning I will take an industry. Oh, if it gets late, then we will take it. No. Yeah, fine, no issues. What petrol it is? 95 octane. XC95. Okay. So then what happens basically? So we will see whichever is coming first, we will try to take a trade. Okay. So same, almost both are equivalent over here. The trades I will try to keep here is like first 4,954 and here 4,977. 4,977. 4,977, which is somewhere around here. Okay, fine, great. Here we can think of selling, and like again buying area is basically 4,954. 4,954. So these areas. So these will be our completely buying areas. Okay. This, this. 70, okay, fine, great. So now let's place a limit order. See, if I want to sell at a higher price, I can easily set a limit order now only. So limit order will be like I want to sell at 4,000. The stop loss I will try to go for somewhere around 7 point stop loss I will try to keep. This is the trade what I'm trying to plan here. Short from here. So 7.7 on stop loss will be here. The target will be 1 is to 2. It's like 14 points I will try to target. Okay, 4,975. Limit order 4,975, which I will be targeting. Two lots I will be going. The stop loss is somewhere around 4,982.55. Target will be 4,060. 960, 82. Sell 4,982.50. Okay, confirm. Take profit 4,960. Confirm. Okay, so I will be basically placing these orders. So now the order is basically set. So if it is coming here, we will try to take this trade, or otherwise, if it is coming here, we will try to go for a long from this trade. Okay. See, why am I doing this both side direction trade? There is no clear direction in the market. Okay, it's just trying to consolidate. So that becomes an advantage for us to take a trade. Okay, in a both side manner. Okay, either you take that one or this one, both are completely fine because market is in a range. Correct. That advantage we literally have here. See, I'm not targeting big targets here. Just I'm trying to keep 14 points, 15 points stop loss only, 15 points target only. There's a 7 points and 15 points here. Okay. Fine. So now let's wait. Anybody took any trade today? Please, you can update over there. Any trade, guys? You took any trade? Any trade you took? Yeah, it's basically going in a good pace. Let's see. 7 points only, small stop loss we are trying to take. Okay. And like 6:30 New York session will be opening from there. Buying will be done from again from this level only. Okay. At this level or these levels with the huge momentum came into the picture. From there only we will start doing buying. Otherwise, until then is we will not do any buying here. Okay. So either this level or this level, the momentum was there huge. So we will try to pick from there again. Okay, in the buying manner. Okay, selling it will be done from here. You see, from morning, what it is trying to do, consolidate up and down, up and down, up and down. Correct? Yes or no? So that is what I'm hoping here. So just try to take my trade and then it should try to come downside. See, the huge spike was there till 72. Correct? So huge spike was there till 72, and again it started coming downside. Anybody took any trade? One open order is pending here. So let's see any we are taking like we are getting any trade in BTC or something. Silver also we can plan. Silver also we'll see. 30 minutes, 4 hour, 1 hour. No, no, I'm not seeing any good trades over here. Buying prospective minor trades 66,600. This is where the supply and the demand I'm trying to see. From here I try to pick. Here it will be a good trade. Here it will be a no, no, this is fine. But short manner, if I want to plan a short, yeah, this will be a good area to sell actually. Otherwise, this area, both is completely fine. Either we can basically sell from this level, short it from here only. Okay, keep it somewhere around 220 to 50 point stop loss. Try to target 1 is to 2 from here. That this will be also great. But it has already started the momentum. To 50 points is also great. So it is not taking out trade here. I thought almost it came here, no? So I thought it will take this order immediately and it will try to give us something. But the thing is like yeah, we will try to take a trade over here also, okay? So generally it is like an uptrend only. In the BTC you see from the last like the 5 minutes perspective manner it's trying to give continuously higher rise pattern. Okay, so here just in like 200 points like I will try to risk and I will try to capture 1 is to 2 from here. Let's see. So order can be placed somewhere around here like 67,127. Okay, this can be done. Again the same thing like the smaller stop loss approach only we are trying to do here. Okay, where I want to take a trade, I want to take a trade at somewhere around here. Just like basically it came here. Limit order. I want to basically sell at 67,140. 67,140. 140. Stop loss I want to keep somewhere around 200 points. 340. 67,340. 67,000. I will try to keep 66,700. Okay, both I have kept limit order shape. Let's see. This not yet triggered. Okay. Yep. I guess BTC got triggered. Not yet. Yeah, now it triggered, guys. 200 points, 400 points. This is what I'm trying to target here. Small stop loss because what you say, the trend is like against me, correct? So if I'm keeping like 400, 500 points also, no, it can easily take it out. So we'll consider smaller stop loss only. Okay. So one is done, it is running. So gold, let's see where is gold. Gold is also going to our entry point. Let's see. Anybody took any trade? Anybody took this trade? Can update over here. One is BTC trade and one more is like a gold trade. Okay, gold trade not yet triggered, but BTC trade has been triggered. Okay, the BTC trade is running now. Okay, so that is one. Gold, yeah, it is trying to come to our level, but it's trying to reject from here only. So let me see the gold one. See, it almost came to our level, just missed by some around hardly 1 point, hardly point 0.8 point. See, you can see, right? It's trying to come down immediately. See, from there, 74, 4.5 points. So now we have like 3 more minutes. Like New York session will be opening now. So in New York session, again, we will get the momentum. Very good momentum will be coming to the picture. So BTC should also support us. Gold already started coming down. See, tiny changes. This guy is in our favor now. Anybody took any trade? Anybody took this trade, guys? Gold is like, see, it's at 10 points already done. 15 points what we want, no? Correct. So this BTC trade is running very good. Let's see. We are expecting around 2 point like 7,400 points. This is where actually 1 is to 2 will be there. Okay. Gold is still open order only. Okay, didn't take our order. So now in a minute, basically New York session will be opening. Just a minute. Wait to see. Running, it's running. There's a
Hi
delay is
guys.
there.
Hmm.
Some delay is there.
Hmm.
So two trades basically I took. One
Hmm.
is like a BTC trade. So 30 minutes. Okay. So 15 minutes, 5 minutes.
Hmm.
Okay. And this is running here now. And one more trade I'm planning for the gold wala thing. Gold I placed almost, yeah, now it took. It almost came here. Again, same stuff 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So it is almost coming, but it is not taking. And this is like 7 point stop loss, and that is 200 point stop loss. Small stop loss, 1 is to 2. What we are trying to target here. Gold also it will almost take now. And now the New York session volatility will also start a little bit. So that also we should try to bear. So let's see. See, it almost came, but it is not taking our order. Now it may take in 3 minutes, like it started now. New York session already has been started. 6:30. There is no momentum at all till now.
Yeah. So if we check the chart of the gold, guys, so BTC is a good trade again.
This is BTC.
Yeah. So yesterday also you guys saw a very big sharp fall
Yeah,
in BTC also, gold also, and silver also.
correct.
So if you guys see silver, I think it's corrected by 10% against
Exactly.
yesterday.
12 percentage, 20 points it corrected. It varies. Like it was
Yeah.
crazy.
So what's happening? Silver is trying to go up in 2 3 days, and it is falling in a single day.
Correct.
So maybe what's happening? The global markets are now getting little bit, you can say, stabilized. So
Mm.
because of that, what's happening? This asset gold and silver is not going up. Every time some buying is coming, some people who miss this rally, they are
Yeah.
trying to enter at retracements and corrections. So still, what's happening? Supply is there. Maybe what's happening? All those people who are sitting from lower levels, who they are now booking profits. Or
Exactly.
maybe people who bought from these levels, they are trying to exit whenever they are getting in cost. So both things are ongoing. So we have to wait and see in upcoming weeks that what is the like how silver is doing.
Mm.
So basically, like me and Baswara was telling you, for the last few days, we need consolidation.
Yeah, good amount of
Exactly. We
consolidation.
need at least 1 or 2 months of consolidation in a range, which will be a good thing. If you see, like this is consolidation, but this is only 5 to 6 days.
Yeah, lot of
So
consolidation now.
exactly. So we need a lot of consolidation, 1 and 2 months, because after this much of big volatility now, what we need is that consolidation. With consolidation, what will happen? Accumulation will come and weak sellers will be exit from the market. Then slowly, if the market is going up, making buy on dip structure, so we can again expect that again gold and silver can do their traditional momentum, traditional approach, like they are going 10 12%, then retracing, again 10 12% retracing. So that we want.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what will happen if someone is
For
going
the
like this?
stable growth, yeah, that is
Yeah,
what required is there. Okay, otherwise it will be like a lot of again it will go upside, again fall will be there. So a lot of money like it will be easily wiped out. So gold again, see guys, it almost went there, it didn't trigger, and it
yeah.
came back. Okay, and so BTC is still running into the cost to cost manner only. So let's see what happens. Okay, the 200 point stop loss and 450 points target is what we are targeting. Like yeah, we'll see. Okay, so like see, this is like 78. It's trying to approach. But resistance, it is like a lot of resistance it is taking now. See, every time it is trying to not cross the swing high. 90 was the level what I was telling. Every time it is coming there and trying to go downside. See, 86, 86 points again came downside. Now we will see where it will be closing. So again, the support lies over here. Only the zone what we have marked, it is trying to take continuously support from that. So if it is again consolidating, we can see lower levels as well. So that is what skeptical we are about now. So BTC is also, you see, big fall and started going upside, consolidation, small candles. Not nothing clear picture is as of now here.
Exactly. So BTC also, if you see 60,000 level, it's tested. So from the top, it has corrected almost 55%. So 126 was this thing. I think almost 55%, more than 55% maybe, it has corrected.
Yeah.
So 52.5%. So if you see proper head and shoulder, it is making now.
Actually, people got like wiped out from there.
Exactly. See, BTC is like this asset. What will happen now if you go back also?
Yeah.
You see here,
Crazy.
from here 2020, it was at 4,500. It went to 67. Then again it came
to
16,000.
15,000. 2023 only.
Exactly.
Again,
And then
here also you can see.
yeah, here
So
also,
it rallied from here, it went to 72,
and again came to 50. So 30-40% again drop. Then here it went to 110. Again came to 75. Then 126, now 60,000.
But
So
you can see
BTC is
head and shoulder pattern here.
yeah, and plus if you see support, if we talk about charts now, you see this is support areas. If you see these are support areas, these are support areas. So maybe what you can do is if someone wants to accumulate BTC, you can accumulate. Yeah. For longer time period. Point one you can go with, point two you can go with.
So how you can do that? Like I don't suggest any digital wallets. You can just try to go to the ledger. Okay, in
Yeah.
physical format only try to store. Okay,
Yeah.
a lot of fraud.
Hard wallet you can use.
Yeah, hard wallet is a very good thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So otherwise it will be a lot of like hacking is and going on.
Exactly, guys.
So don't take try to risk. So
Hard
already
wallet,
investing
yeah.
BTC itself is a risk, and
Yeah.
again one more risk is like is no
Because
need.
thing is that once you got scammed, there is no way to cover your money.
Exactly. The silver started like gold started correcting 3 3 points. Very fast momentum. Gold. See.
Yeah.
It didn't talk about like trade. You can see here.
Yeah, yeah. See, almost tapped, but just missed. Almost one is more than 1:1 we were getting.
Yeah, almost missed.
Yeah.
Let's see we will get it or not. So I told you, basically market is an upside and downside trend. I told you that that will be a shorting area and downside like it will be a buying area. So we are getting both opportunity because market is in a consolidation phase. That is the reason why you're trying to approach this trades. Like you may think, Basaraj, why priorly we should only tell you that okay, go for only long trades, go for only short trade because the bias was bullish or bearish. Exactly. Now everything is a consolidation. You see, market is basically up and down, up and down, up and down. So we should try to trade with it, that up and down only. Try to target small 10 points, 15 points, 20 points in that only. Try not to go to the bigger levels. I hope you understood.
Yeah. So see here what happened last time market came here, big selling came.
Yeah, exactly. So
Then
that is the
again,
reason
yeah.
I took a trade over there.
Exactly.
30 minutes I saw, 15 minutes I saw, 5 minutes, exactly that point. We had took a trade. That's it.
Yeah, so see, we are only just using basic structure, nothing else. And from here to here, if you see almost 1 is to 1.5, guys, if you see here, so 1 is to 1.3 or something like that, if we had got our entry. But we didn't got entry, so simply it's just, if you see, almost just tapped.
Yeah,
Almost
almost
tapped.
came, but triggered.
Yeah, so
triggered.
because of that, it did not trigger.
Yeah, that's the reason. So basically, we can see the BTC trade here. So let's go and consider the BTC trade. So what is the BTC doing here? Okay. So BTC basically, yeah, it almost came to our target now. You see, it is coming. If 1 is to 1, it is achievable now. See, fall. There's nothing else. I'm not using any indicators or nothing. I'm just trying to focus on what the levels where the supply was there with a smaller risk reward approach. I'm just trying to go for a trade. I hope you understood. Anybody took any trade in this trade? Okay, so basically what we can do here, just you see, this was a simple trade. Simple. I told you, just go. I'm going to the 30 minutes time frame perspective. See the rejection from there. Every time when it is coming here, see the rejection, and just went took a trade on that basis only. Nothing else. I hope you understood. The gold, yeah, gold was also very good trade, but the order didn't trigger. Do you see here? It almost came here, tapped, but there was no trade for us. There was no execution at all. I hope you understood. See, in a very clear manner, it is trying to come here. Anybody took this trade along with me? Just see, this is just 200 point stop loss, guys. 200 point stop loss, and we are trying to target to 400, 430 points targets. Okay, so that is what. So you may think now, okay, Basaras, here a lot of consolidation, here a lot of yeah, price can reverse from here, it can reverse. If you are not comfortable, you can keep it to cost and you can remove it. But I'm not doing it as of now. Let's see what will happen. Otherwise, if I start doing this every time, then what happen? My like capturing upper rate will be smaller. Okay, that is the reason. I'm not trying to trail it. Okay, so now so you see we got almost our 1:1 game here only. Correct. So you can do it cost to cost manner and then you can remove. But no, let's see. Let's try to target bigger one. And silver, yeah, I told you now silver is also this was one of a kind trade we can take. Gold to gone. Coming downside. I hope you understood this all stuff, right? Anybody has anything to ask, you can feel free to ask me, guys. Nobody like anybody want to ask anything, you can feel free to ask me, guys. This was a simple trade, okay? I have told you, na, this is just a simple trade. Rejection levels and price again retrace back to this level with a smaller approach, go for a trade. See, once it is rejected from here, okay, and again it retraces back to this level with a smaller 200 point stop loss, just going for a trade. So gold again, no, again it is trying to retrace, but it is not trying to go there. See, let's keep it. Let's see what happens. This is the area where price can again gain some rejection. If anybody took this trade, yeah, keep holding it, okay? Let's see. If you're not comfortable, like you can keep it to cost. But generally, what happen again? It will try to come to cost again, go upside, downside. Then take the cost to cost stop loss, and then again it will come downside. That is the common scenarios here. See, started approaching. I hope you understood. So I will be updating this in the our community as well in the like okay the YouTube as well. Okay, I guess we will wind up the live over here only today. Okay, thank you guys.